Well, I got interrupted, but I'm gonna go back through these again and count them because I didn't come up with the right number. But we have several new babies. Several new babies. You never know, might have a mama off trying to have one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the other side, 6, 7, 8 on the other side, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2. And the red one over the hill that walked off with her calf. 3. And that's how many there are. Are you hiding over here? Gonna have a glut of red calves. That's the new one. That's the new one for today. That's not his mama. His mama's the black cow behind you. See that one there? That's not your mama. Not your mama. That is not your mama. Try her again. She'll tell you that's not. She's not your mama. That's your mama. That's your mama back over there. Hmm. Is that your mom? That's your mama. You betcha. Brand new calf today. Well, there's 4 of the butt logs from over here in the woods. We've been doing a little cleanup and cutting out some good ones, making a little more room for light to get to the ground. And actually the reasoning is none of those, except I need some 16s and a good 20 and a 12 and some 10s for home. And this is what we can get to right now. So yeah, and we've moved a long ways because right over there on that knob was where we was logging at before, but and we've gotten some decent little logs out of here, but we've been kind of crippled because the starter quit on the S300 wouldn't run, so we're using the little feller. He don't push brush near as proficiently as the Bobcat does. So, and we got a pile of firewood down there, and already a pile of firewood up here on top of the hill. So. And I've gotten 2 of the 16s that I need. I need 3, and if they're going to be as small as those, I better take 4. And then I've got to have a decent size 20, and I don't have that yet. It's supposed to rain overnight tonight. We'll see what happens. We got a load loaded on Bobby Cole over there. Overloaded probably. And piled up some, and come over here where he's got me a good tree cut. He's working on cutting the rest of it. And we may be going to lunch a little quicker than I thought. So I have to load a hose. It's always the things you didn't count on. Yep, that's what it is. I'm here at O'Reilly and Joplin. They're helping me fixing up my hose here. About to press the second end on it. Now it's just like new.
There we are.
Old, new. Perfect. That is a really unique rotor somebody brought in. Don't see that every day. Well, looky there. We got the Bobcat back to going. I'd have to starter rebuilt. So now it's got a new starter, new battery. Still dealing with hose for that. And it'll probably sit here overnight because I have to go back to Joplin. They made me a new hose, but it was not the right one. One of the ends is not the same as what the other one had. So, with all that messing around, we get to do it again. I'm waiting on my air to build up. It's almost there. I think I probably can go now, so I'll bring you back out in a little bit. So I just pulled in the driveway with this load of logs, and I want to show you something a little unnerving. I still haven't changed my air switch yet. But anyway, I'm learning to set the brakes and leave it in out of gear. That's what happens when you got to get a 20-foot log home. That thing just sat there and bounced on the front end all the way in here. But anyway, I bet it'll make some trailer flooring, and because it's long, it pays more money. So that's it for today. I gotta go back to Joplin and see if I can't get this hose exchanged. Gonna build me one that's got the both ends that are right on it. Let's see how it goes. I'm at a new used car lot. They all look like new. This guy here, he never gets on his own videos. And so he's gonna look for me a product to help my truck out. He didn't really think that would buff out. I really think I could spit on it and wipe that around and that'll straighten up.
With today's paint, maybe.
Yeah. So he's gonna look for me some products that'll help the residue that's on my tires. We'll see what he comes up with.